Okay, Cali girl Lizzie said, does freshman year really count? I'm scared about college because I got a C during my first semester report card. It does count because freshman year has brought down my GPA so much because I didn't really understand how to go through high school classes and stuff, and it is really killing my GPA right now.
Yeah, well, I mean, that is definitely true, but if all your other grades are like really good, like if you're wanting to go to like a really competitive school, I mean, your C could potentially...
But down the road, it's really not gonna
If you
matter.
show consistency in your like sophomore, junior, senior year, like really good grades all the time, then your C is probably not going to play a big role. But yeah, freshman year definitely counts as a whole a lot.
Yeah, it really
just as
it's
much as any other year. So. Also a tip, just in general, we've been noticing is some of you guys, I guess, that are in middle school are like really freaking out about high school.
It's not that big of a deal.
It's really not a big deal. A lot of you asked if it's a lot different than middle school. It's like polar opposite of middle school, but you really just need to
way different.
Just take a step back.
It's way better though.
Take a deep breath. It's all gonna be okay. You don't need to worry.
It's not scary.
Okay, so like someone asked, should I review my notes every day? Do teachers care what types of notes you take? And do you have assigned seats? It's okay.
Okay, reviewing your notes is a good idea before tests and quizzes. That's the only time I would do it. What was the next question? Do they care what type of notes you take? A lot of times they'll put notes on the board. If they put it on the board, it's probably important.
Yeah,
I mean, they don't look at your notes usually.
If you don't want to take notes unless your teacher requires you to and you just want to like read the book, then just
it doesn't matter. You basically do what you want for studying things.
Yeah, and then do you have assigned seats? It really just depends on the teacher. Some classes
we
care.
do and some classes we don't. Someone else asked us what year is the easiest, and Morgan and I both agree that sophomore year is the easiest.
Sophomore year, I mean, freshman year is really easy too when you think about it, but it's just the adjustment that I guess makes it more difficult than sophomore year. Sophomore year is literally the easiest.
It's such a breeze.
What to do at lunch? That was the question.
You just eat, really.
It doesn't really matter, especially like the first week. People haven't really like figured out who's in their lunches yet and like decided your seats that you're probably gonna stick with like all year. So, I mean, just sit with whoever you want to. That's a good time to really branch out and talk to new people, especially at the beginning of the school year, so don't waste that time, because
it's a good time. Because it's the only free time of the day, really.
Yeah.
So sit with people you like. Alright, someone else asked us what the best part about being a senior was.
I definitely say, well, in general, just the freedom. I feel like seniors can basically do, like, whatever
We really
they
get
want.
away with almost any... Oh, Carly, watch this.
No, you really get away with, like, anything you want to get away with. And I'm not saying, like, really bad things. I just mean, like,
you can
at
really
school,
just do what you want.
You get free food.
Seniors just
you leave, sit at the front desk with the office lady. She's awesome. But, yeah, like, really, it's just great. You're not really... Like, I don't know, the teachers know, like, where you're at mentally, like, you're like, why am I here? And they don't really push you too hard, I feel like.
Yeah, definitely.
But as far as, like,
our senior year,
like, top memory so far would definitely be senior trip. We went to Florida.
I don't think public schools do senior trips.
Oh, yeah, well, if your school has a senior trip, that's gonna be, like, the best time.
It's so bonding.
Yeah.
Like, that's when I really got to know a lot of new people. Not new people, I mean, I knew them, but I just didn't know them personally. But you really just bond with your class.
Yeah, you're great. It's a really, like, unifying experience for your grade if you have some kind of... We also had a retreat. An overnight retreat.
Which was a lot of fun. We swam in a lake and did,
I mean, I'm not a big nature girl, but it was a good time.
It was in the woods and, like, cabins and stuff. And it was so much fun, but...
Yeah. So if you have
the best part.
anything like that, that's probably going to be your top senior memory.
We really like basketball season at our school. So sports events are a lot of fun in high school.
Yeah, if your school has school spirit, another way to like make friends is to get involved if you have a spirit club or just like going to sporting events. And that's just a good way to like really branch out, I feel like.
And that's what a lot of people do like at our school, like on their Friday night. They go to
our
basketball game, basketball game.
Yeah, and I mean, like, if there was an underclassman who, like, actually dressed up for our theme nights and came, like, I guarantee you I would like them a lot more, so you should probably do that.
Yeah, if there's theme nights, and when underclassmen think they're too, like, I don't know if they think they're too cool, or if they're scared to
like, don't feel included.
We want you to participate.
Yeah, so if your school has theme nights, if you're an underclassman, you better dress your butt up and go in there and sit in your student section
your butt off.
So another question was, what is prom like at your school? And then tips for like if you're nervous about not getting asked.
At our school, well, at public schools, usually prom, you go out to eat with your own little group. But at our school, we go to a country club and they serve us dinner. and then there's sort of an after party afterward, and that's then where people would dance and stuff.
That's like the real prom where there's like the DJ and like everybody just dances, and then after that you go to like the real like after party.
And then after that you'll probably go to like a friend's house or something.
Yeah. So that's what it's like at our school. I mean, it varies from school to school. That's just our experience.
Ours is a lot of fun though.
It is fun. And then if you're nervous about like not getting asked, it's really not the end of the world. You can either like just kind of bring it up with a friend that you have that's a guy and be like, hey, well, like if they don't have a date, be like, what do you maybe want to go together? And then
or even you can take someone from a different school.
Yeah,
and then you ask them, so you have initiative to.
Yeah, if your school lets you do that. But I mean, even if you don't get asked at the end of the day, just like go have a good time with like a group of your friends. It's gonna be really fun. Because honestly, you don't really hang out with your date the whole time anyway. So
unless y'all are dating, then you do. But if you don't, then you're really just floating around with everyone.
It's really just someone to take pictures with.
Yeah. A date is someone to take pictures with if you're not really actually together. So I think that was good. That was it. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching and thanks for submitting your questions. I'm sure, or we hope that our answers were helpful to you.
And if you have any other questions, just comment them below and we'll try to answer in the comments if we can, or if there are a lot of different questions,
we could potentially do another video.
Yeah, but I feel like we covered it.
Yeah, I think we covered mostly everything.
So yeah, just comment below and let us know if this was helpful, and be sure to
go ahead.
Be sure to follow us all on Instagram. Our names will be below.
And if you have any video suggestions, we would like to know those too.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. What did you know? Rachel Kim, just get out of my house! What did you drop?
Oh, your water bottle. It didn't spill though.
Alright, well you want to pick it up?
I did!
And where'd you put it? Just on the floor?
I don't know.
Rachel, literally, I'm going to confine you when... I don't know what this says, but it looks funny. Okay.
Alright. Danny Marie asked if it's a, no. Well, not at our school. Maybe at a public school.
Let's try to take on the public school mindset.
Okay, alright.
What do you say to that?
I don't know. Do you want to ask it?
How to get a boyfriend in high school and how to be pretty. Well, step 1.
Plastic surgery.
This is so funny, like how concerned all of them
I know,
are.
like they must all be 8th grade going into 9th grade.
Yeah.
We have
uniforms. Parties and avoiding drugs, alcohol.
You don't take them.
Yes. And
U.S. history.
I didn't take this. Bump it again. I'm sorry, I'm kidding.